Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Doogle token. Name of the token is Doogle, ticker symbol is also Doogle. Now this is another Matt Fury character, and a lot of these tokens are very popular, like Pepe, Landwolf, Bird Dog, Brett, Andy, etc. And now we have Doogle, which is another meme coin on the Solana blockchain. This token is actually getting a very big central exchange listing. It was just announced on Twitter, and we're going to go over the information on the Doogle token, and we're going to talk about a couple different ways that you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is doogleonsolana.org. Over there you can find a link to their DEX tools chart, DEX screener, Telegram, Twitter. They have a meme section, roadmap, storyline, chapters, all sorts of cool information on their webpage here. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on Twitter, on Bitmart's Twitter, which is at Bitmart Exchange. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Doogle, the Doogle on Solana token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So you can follow at Bitmart Exchange, or you can follow this Twitter that's right in the corner of the screen there, at Doogle on Solana, and they will tell you exactly when the listing will occur. And when it does, basically, if you don't have an account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Doogle, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is not even live yet on Raydium or Jupiter. We'll talk about how to get it off those in a second here. But a tweet from just yesterday, actually. So a tweet from June 15th. It says, pre-sale opening in 10 minutes. And then it has a link to doogleonsolana.org. So on their webpage, they have a full white paper there. They have, at the top of the page, it says Doogle by Matt Fury. Has all the links. And it says here, why Doogle? Well, Doogle is willing to do everything it takes to join the boys club. Why should people pick Doodle before it becomes a mainstream meme? The answer lies in its unique blend of humor, relatability, and creativity. Doogle is not just another cookie-cutter meme that follows the same tired formula. It offers something fresh and innovative that sets it apart from the rest. One of the key reasons to jump on the Doogle bandwagon early is the opportunity to be a part of something special from the beginning. As Doogle continues to gain popularity, those who were early adopters will feel a sense of ownership and pride in being among the first to recognize its full potential. Furthermore, Doogle's creator, Matt Fury, brings a level of brand professionalism and artistic integrity to the meme world that is truly rare. His dedication to creating high-quality characters that resonates with audiences is evident in every big meme originated from him, making it a cut above the rest. So it shows all the market caps that Andy, Landwolf, Brett, and Pepe have reached. And then it has tokenomics here. Basically, 85% of the tokens go to the pre-sale and liquidity, 2% KOLs, 3% marketing, 5% central exchange listings like Bitmart, and then we got 5% going to the team and the dev. It says no taxes, mint and freeze revoked, and liquidity burned. So basically, when this token does go live, maybe Bitmart will not be available in your country, or you don't want to use a central exchange. You'll be able to get this token off Raydium or Jupiter by funding your Trust wallet or your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Doogle token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, doogleonsolana.org. And then you won't have to worry about slippage because it says 0% taxes. And if you want to check how the token is doing, you'll be able to check it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and then eventually, maybe CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. So they have a roadmap here starting with initial pre-sale and then launch on Raydium, KOLs and trending, reach 1,000 holders, release short animation video, Reddit raids and Twitter raids, reach 2,000 holders, central exchange listings, and Doogle going viral. Then it says, disclaimer, Doogle is a meme coin with no intrinsic value. Don't risk money you're afraid of losing. The price may go up or down. We are not responsible for the price of this token. So I don't see anywhere actually on their webpage. I opened it up in 2 different browsers where you can actually click on anything that's going to take you to a pre-sale page. So I clicked on memes, and so then, a video pops up, stuff like that. I don't see anything about a pre-sale on there. There's a bunch of memes that you could share. Chapter unlocks, you click on that, and then there's just some more memes, basically. Oh, there it is right there. So pre-sale, it says, starts on the 15th and ends on the 19th. And it says 100% of soft cap filled, 100% of medium cap filled, 21% of hard cap filled. It says simply send SOL to this pre-sale address. And then it has the pre-sale address. It says max contribution per wallet is 5 SOL. Do not send SOL from a central exchange. And then minimum amount is 0.5 SOL. So anywhere between 0.5 SOL and 5 SOL you could send. So it says hard cap is 400 SOL. So they're basically, it says 21% of that is filled right now. And it shows the pre-sale rate. For the start price for Raydium, 1 SOL equals 900,000 Doogle, it says. And then it says here that they're getting a Bitmart listing. And then after that will be Mexc Global and BITRUE. So I do have an Mexc Global and BITRUE referral code down there, so check that out. And then after that, Coinbase and Binance will be after that. So, and then it goes how it all started, gives you a big story about Matt Fury and everything like that, Pepe, all the chapters, all this different stuff here. But yeah, then it has a how to buy at the bottom of the page, create a wallet, this and that. Pretty straightforward here. But yeah, they've only filled 21% of the hard cap. It ends on the 19th of this pre-sale. Then it's going to go shortly after that, going to go over to Raydium and Bitmart, and then Mexc Global and BITRUE. So check out all the referral codes down there. Go over to doogleonsolana.org if you want to check out this pre-sale. But it might be, full pretty soon. If you want to find the pre-sale, you go to the webpage and there's a button in the top right-hand corner that says Chapter Unlocks. And I don't know why they put the pre-sale on that part of the page, but you click on that and that takes you to where the pre-sale is. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens. I was going to say tokens like Doogle. The newest tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes. Leave a comment if you want to help support the channel. Hit that join button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.